Long before life ruled the land, Earth itself was the greatest force of destruction. In the depths of ancient seas, life quietly began its journey. Survival favored those that could adapt, change, and endure. Over millions of years, size became a powerful advantage. The oceans were the first kingdoms of giants. Hunting shaped the balance of ancient life. Leaving the ocean was the most dangerous step in evolution, but it was a step that had to be taken. The land soon echoed with the footsteps of giants. This world belonged entirely to nature. In these primeval landscapes, a new kind of giant emerged. Plants fueled the growth of the largest creatures ever to walk the earth. These colossal herbivores spent their days consuming vast forests, growing to sizes that seem impossible today. But where giants lived, powerful predators followed. Carnivores evolved to hunt them, leading to an epic arms race. Defense became just as important as attack. Giants developed armor, horns, and spiked tails to protect themselves. The dense prehistoric forests offered food, shelter, and constant danger. Life was a perpetual struggle for survival, but the land was not the only domain conquered. Even the sky was conquered by giants. Massive flying reptiles soared above the cliffs and oceans, casting huge shadows over the world below. Their reign, however, was not unchallenged. Nature tested even the strongest giants. Brutal storms and devastating floods could sweep across the landscapes, reshaping the world in an instant. The earth itself reshaped life through fire. Volcanoes erupted, spewing ash and lava, turning paradise into an inferno. The relentless cycle of climate change forced giants to adapt or perish. Competition was fierce. Giants battled for land, water, and mating rights. Territory meant survival, but their immense size came at a cost. Size brought power but also weakness. These creatures needed enormous amounts of food, and any disruption to their food supply could be catastrophic. The planet never stopped changing. Continents drifted, mountains rose, and coastlines shifted, altering the very world the giants knew. Their time was coming to an end. The age of the first giants slowly faded. Food became harder and harder to find. Extinction arrived without mercy. As the environment changed, the giants couldn't adapt quickly enough. Entire worlds of life vanished, leaving behind a silent, empty planet. But in the shadows, life found a way. Small survivors endured where giants failed. They hid underground or in the trees, waiting for their chance. After the disaster, life adapted and continued. From the ashes of the old world, a new balance of life emerged. The giants were gone but not forgotten. Their legacy was written in stone. Stone became the final record of their existence. Fossils buried deep beneath our feet hold their secrets. These bones tell stories older than time itself, tales of a world we can barely imagine. Modern science brings ancient worlds back to life. Using incredible technology, we can piece together the puzzles of the past. From fragments, entire worlds are rebuilt. We can now see these magnificent creatures in stunning detail, walking and breathing once more. Nothing today compares to the giants of the past. The scale of life was simply on another level. Extinction teaches powerful lessons. It shows us how fragile even the most dominant species can be. Adaptation is the key to survival, a rule that has governed life for billions of years. Even the strongest life can disappear. Today's giants, like elephants and whales, carry ancient echoes of their predecessors, reminders of a time when giants truly ruled the earth. Humanity uncovered the secrets of giants, finding their bones and dreaming of their world. Earth's history deserves our respect and our protection. The age of the first giants may be over, but their story lives on forever.